You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.